Let's go on a gentle yoga adventure through movement, exploring, using our balance for the brave and the wobbly, light-hearted strength, and let's start with some music and an easy-going mountain pose. So let's walk into place, tucking our belly, inhale, elbows up and back, and then stop and look at your feet. We can try to line them up. We want the outer part of our feet lined up. Usually tucking in our big toe just a little bit does the trick. See how that feels, and you can put your feet a little more together, big toes. See if it helps. That's gonna challenge your balance. Or maybe you want a little space here to feel more grounded. So with me, you pick what works for you with your own body. So a little walk. This is where my feet go. It's about right. Inhale, and there we are. We're in mountain pose. Hands to the side, shoulders relaxed, tummy is in. Inhale up, bend the knees. Maybe scoop, go down a little bit just to pet the cat. Inhale, back up. Exhale, bend the knee, just look down a little bit. Inhale, exhale, bend the knees. And slowly inhaling back up. We can also move the arms just a little bit. Now we're gonna add to this. We're gonna add little toes. Go on your toe, just one foot. Try the other. The other. Okay. Let's make that interesting. Both heels on the ground. Just lift the toes. Just lift your toes. Maybe the front of your foot wants to come up. Ooh, a little wobbly, and that just adds to the fun. Now tiptoe, down, toes up and down. Nice little stretch in the calf here. A little bounce. Getting back in our moving mountain pose. Ready to explore our range of motion. Inhaling and exhaling down. We can stay just like that, or maybe going down a little more, being on our tiptoes. Just getting a little balance here. Keeping the leg parallel. Push. Oh. If you think you're gonna get stuck down here, make sure you're next to the couch. Little hip movement. Hands on the hip. Well, one elbow's getting heavy. It's coming back in. Other elbows, a little heavy. Let's bring it back in. Oh, yes. What's that? We still have our feet in mountains, but the top's moving. The mountain is alive. It's alive. Alive. You can add the arm, make it more dramatic. Bend the knees. Your mountain is alive. Yes, this is a class for adults. You should see the one for the kids. Oh, nice. Again, hand on the hip, but we're gonna make a wider stand. Keep a nice little bend in the knee. Just go side to side. Be staying a little bit, enjoying the stretch for a few breaths. With yoga, we try to breathe in and out of the nose usually. There's some time you can exhale out of your mouth. Oh, see how that feels here. Nice bounce. We've got that nice stand. Let's make it a little bit bigger. See if it works for you. Nice little bend in the knee. When you bend the knee, make sure it straightens your body and it's not collapsing in. Front foot. And you can keep a bend in both knees if you want. We're gonna do like a laid back triangle. We're just gonna, hey, maybe our hand's still there. We got bends in the knee, opening the hip and shoulder back. Now what we're doing, we can stay just like that, or we can straighten the leg a little bit. See if we can inhale a little length, exhale down a little bit. One hand can stay, two hands can stay, you decide. Push into your foot, come back, other side. Again, start with your knee with a little bend in your knee, especially the front knee, knees opening out. Dum, dum, bum, bum, bum. And if this is that's good enough for you, you can just pet the cat, and that's as far as you want to get. Yes, I love your tail. Yes, I do love your tail. That's good too. Or you can straighten your front leg. Just come a little deeper. Reaching at the bottom, reaching in the sky, opening the shoulder and the hip. Pushing your foot, come back. Ooh, let's wiggle our way back to center. Lots of hip here. And let's bring our feet back in mountain. Ankle maybe under our hips if that's where they want to go. Nice little bend in the knees. And we're gonna start at the lower hip here, right there. Now we're gonna just turn just a little bit to one side. Come back, just to get the feel of it. We go slow. If that is plenty, that's plenty. Or we inhale a little tall, exhale more into a little twist. Bend the knees a little if you want. Stay there for a few breaths. Or come back and make it a nice flow. Inhaling tall, exhaling other side. So again, you can stay there. Or you can do gentle flow. You need to be in motion, that is good. You can vary it a little bit. Add a little march. Just to loosen the hips, a little heavy on each side. Nice inhale up. We're gonna counterpose our little triangle with a forward fold. Ooh. Neck is relaxed, arms are relaxed, and in the little rag doll, a nice little bend in the knees as much as you want. You don't need to touch the ground. Everything is relaxed. Maybe starting to straighten the leg a little bit. See how that feels. Yeah, just see how that feels. So you're in your rag doll. If you need to be petted, Paka, come now, because Mama's coming back up. Okay, that's the last time. Well, you want to play? I don't want to play. I can pet you, but I'm not gonna play. Okay, I will after. Inhale back up. Oh, press in your feet. Inhale. Oh, nice shoulder roll. Bring one arm across. Nice little arc. Bring the arm down. Nice arc. We just don't want to put our hand on the joint. Other side. Very relaxed. See how everything's feeling right now? And feel free to explore any of my playlists. There's more adventure. There's chair yoga. There's the stretch and smile playlist if you're a beginner or you like things on the little slower side. Perfect for elders, seniors, middle age, anyone. I'll see you next time. Namaste.